Just got this Lucy light. Sure makes doing things in the dark easier. Had to get up and let the dog out. Came back here. Lights up the whole area, but what if you don't want to light up the whole area? Then you use a Lucy light. I set this out. I used up 1/3 of the power last night, put it out, and recharged it in a day. It takes a long time to fully charge, but you know, it's free once you pay for the thing. I think I paid $21 for this. We went over to Wally World, and they had them there, but nobody was willing to get them for me because they were restocking the shelves. We got treated horribly. So I just ordered it online on Amazon, and I can't say I'm displeased at all. And this is on the lowest setting. You can make it brighter, make it flash for an emergency beacon, or keep it low. And I like it like this. So if I want to get my peanut butter or my coffee, coffee in the middle of the morning, or my eardrops. Actually eye drops, excuse me. I use them as eardrops too, though. Anyway, this is a Lucy light. This is the basic model. I think it's Lucy 2 or something like that. And I got it on Amazon and couldn't be more pleased. Oops. Yeah, okay. So like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and you'll see my review videos. Lucy light. Can't complain. Yeah, it's only the first day or so, so we'll have to have a follow-up video in the future. Good night, folks.